Modern ships are very different from their predecessors. They're smarter, they're safer, many with autonomous navigation features. Internet of Things and big data analytics are transforming the face of the maritime industry, driving new features and enhancements. Today's ships must meet strict environmental regulations, prompting a move toward electric vessels, resulting in reduced emissions, less fuel consumption, and lower maintenance. All these new requirements fundamentally impact every aspect of how new ships are built. But despite the demands for greater innovation, many shipbuilders still design, validate, and manufacture modern ships without modern tools, greatly limiting innovation. They use disjointed niche applications for each stage or process, delaying the discovery and resolution of problems until later in the process and resulting in increased cost due to rework. NX from Siemens Digital Industries Software breaks those barriers to shipbuilding innovation with a rich integrated suite of technologies that accelerates time to market while optimizing final results. What are the Siemens NX shipbuilding advantages? First, it's the most productive ship design solution in the industry. As a single comprehensive tool, NX is optimized to assist all design teams across all stages of design. For example, NX simplifies hull form modeling and the rapid definition of the ship general arrangement in 3D, eliminating the errors and inconsistencies of traditional 2D approaches. Designers can create every aspect of the ship arrangement using rapid part placement from the reuse library that speeds design and helps simplify transition to the next design stage. NX provides a common interface for authoring as well as modification of data across various disciplines involved in the design of a ship. As an integrated design environment across disciplines, NX provides a unified environment, enabling steel structure design, machinery, accommodation, piping, HVAC, secondary steel, outfitting, and electrical cabling disciplines to work together in parallel to avoid interdiscipline integration issues and unnecessary iteration between teams to resolve them. And data and designs from all teams can be visualized simultaneously in a collaborative environment in real time, thereby eliminating integration issues. Integrated and early design validation is another key NX advantage. When it comes to ship design, validation and quality need to be assured early and continuously. NX enables designers and engineers to perform a variety of validation checks throughout the design process, so time-consuming and costly problems can be avoided later. Once designed, hull form and performance optimization studies can be performed using optimization tools like HEEDS. This enables radically new and optimized designs. And with the advanced fluid dynamics capabilities of STAR CCM+, engineers can simulate and validate performance early in the design process, including hydrostatic draft computation and power prediction. NX with Team Center also provides collaborative design management, simplifying and speeding workflow between teams and processes while avoiding unnecessary errors and rework. And NX includes immersive visualization capabilities, including fly-throughs for team meetings and design reviews to help resolve fit and functional design issues early in the design process. NX also provides extensive VR capabilities for crew training or interactive tours to help provide a better understanding of design problems and enable faster resolution. These are just a few of the advantages NX brings to ship design and shipbuilding. Find out more about how NX from Siemens Digital Industries Software can help your team build better ships faster by visiting us on the web.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.